Ever feel like your business expenses are a black hole, sucking up time and peace of mind? If you're running a small business, you know the drill: piles of receipts, endless spreadsheets, and the nagging fear of missing a deduction or, worse, an audit. It's enough to make you wonder if there's a better way. And that's where solutions like Expensify come in. But the big question for many small business owners is Expensify actually good for small businesses? Let's dive into what Expensify offers and see if it truly lives up to the hype for the smaller players in the market. At its core, Expensify is an expense management platform designed to automate the often tedious process of tracking and reporting business expenses. For small businesses, this can mean a significant shift from manual, error-prone systems to something much more streamlined. One of Expensify's standout features is its SmartScan technology. Imagine this: you're at a business lunch, you pay the bill, and instead of shoving the receipt into your wallet to be lost forever, you simply snap a picture with your phone. SmartScan uses optical character recognition, OCR, to automatically extract key information like the merchant, date, and amount, then populates an expense report for you. This alone is a game changer for many, drastically cutting down on manual data entry and the dreaded receipt pile. Beyond SmartScan, Expensify offers robust features like bank and credit card integration, automatically importing transactions to keep your expense tracking accurate and up-to-date. It also boasts smart categorization, using machine learning to categorize your expenses, further speeding up report preparation. For businesses with employees, the platform simplifies the reimbursement process, allowing for faster approvals and payments, often integrating directly with payroll or accounting systems. And for those on the go, the mobile app includes mileage tracking via GPS, turning distances into reimbursable expenses with ease. However, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. While Expensify is lauded for its user-friendly interface and automation, some small businesses might find certain aspects less than ideal. Pricing, for instance, can be a factor. While there's a free plan for individuals with limited SmartScans, the paid plans for businesses are typically priced per user per month. This can add up, especially if you have a growing team. There are also nuances to their pricing, with discounts available if you primarily use their Expensify card for business spending. Another point to consider is customization. While Expensify offers templates and rules for expense policies, some users have noted that for businesses with highly complex accounting needs or very specific reporting structures, the customization options might feel a bit limited. There have also been occasional reports of syncing issues with bank accounts or corporate cards, and sometimes the OCR isn't perfectly accurate, requiring manual adjustments. So, is Expensify good for small businesses? For many, absolutely. Its ability to automate receipt capture, streamline expense reporting, and simplify reimbursements can save countless hours and reduce errors. It's particularly strong for businesses with mobile employees or those looking to move away from paper-based systems entirely. The automation and integrations can lead to better visibility over spending, improved compliance with company policies, and ultimately, more accurate financial data for decision-making. However, like any tool, it's not a one-size-fits-all solution. Small businesses should weigh the benefits of automation and ease of use against the pricing structure and their specific customization needs. If your business values efficiency and is ready to embrace a digital approach to expense management, Expensify is definitely worth exploring. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.